Hey, what is going on, my XRP holders? Make sure to smash that like and subscribe down below. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So first off, we have some big FUD today on Twitter. Over 500,000 views over there from this guy named Jason, who actually follows me on Twitter. I'm not sure why. He's following like 16,000 people. Quote, world's greatest moderator, angel investor, comes out today on Twitter and says, XRP is obviously a security. It would have cost little for the Ripple team to have registered it as a security and played by the rules, like everyone else in the industry does all day long. I cannot tell if this is satire. I cannot tell if this is sarcasm. I cannot tell if this is just trying to bait social media engagement for personal brand promotion. I really don't know. But honestly, to me, this seems like an absolute joke. Like everyone else in the industry does all day long? No, they don't do that, Jason. No, they do not do that. All right. Brad Garlinghouse responds and says, remind me when you learn securities law. This is embarrassing for you and hilariously wrong, as there is no framework to register digital assets in the United States, but we're all used to you making controversial statements and trolling about things you know nothing about. Jason responds and says, I learned securities law by investing in 350 startups, having a bunch of go public, and by forming the largest angel syndicate in the world with 11,000 accredited investors. Syndicate.com. Also read this. So I don't know. I mean, obviously, it just, to me, it seems like trolling. The only reason I'm covering it in today's video is because it did incite a response from the Ripple CEO. But it's just like, it's funny how like the XRP FUD it does not end. It never ends, dude. It's like the big media, these big people on Twitter, they can, you know, spike like a quick million views on Twitter over making a controversial statement about XRP. I mean, the second largest cryptocurrency, Ethereum, the founder of that token, Vitalik Buterin, has been bashing XRP relentlessly over the last few years publicly, you know, reeling in millions and millions of views doing so. It's just like the XRP FUD, it never stops because XRP is genuinely a threat to the top two cryptocurrencies out there right now. All right. Next one real quick. I just had to show this to you guys. I mean, U.S. Congressman says maybe we do print money out of thin air, but we're the U.S. government, the global military superpower that prints money out of thin air. All right, guys, let's just get into the topic of today's video. You know, just how much longer do we have to wait, man? Like, honestly, how much longer do we have to wait? I gotta say, the recent Pepe coin surge, it did kind of make me think about, like, oh my god, dude. The market's throwing billions of dollars at worthless garbage that can be created in 26 seconds. Brings it up to a rank 61 after being launched for less than 30 days. And it's just like, it really gets me thinking. It's like, you know, how much longer do we have to wait here, fellas? How much longer do we really have to wait here? We're clearly getting, you know, historical cycle repeats with the general demand zones. I got a triangle update for you guys, by the way. We're kind of still developing on it as a little bit of a back test. As you guys know, this was something I was championing on the channel, especially during the months of early April, late March over on the streams, how we have broken out of a like incredibly large triangle that is a historic repeat. And as you can see here, XRP on the monthly chart, as well as the weekly chart, we are going for the back test on this just incredibly pivotal moment for the XRP charts. Now, I know when I move it to the weekly chart, it does kind of change up a little bit, you know, compared to the monthly chart because it opens and closes and time frames and things like that. But basically, I think right now, with where we are at in the XRP price history, I don't even think it's worth even looking at weekly chart anymore. I think monthly chart is going to be just my go-to chart now, because the last all-time high, you know, I mean, it was 1,946 days ago. So at this point, I don't even care to look at the price in weekly increments. I think it's just more worth it to look at it monthly because, you know, a typical rule kind of within technical analysis is like, I don't know if you could say this for every single asset class because I'm not that experienced with TA, but the higher you go up in time frames, the more reliable the chart's going to be, right? Like a 4-hour chart's going to be more reliable than a 15-minute chart. A weekly chart's going to be more reliable than a 4-hour chart, etc., right? So that's why right now I'm kind of looking at the monthly chart for XRP just to have that, that monthly chart mindset where we have the, it's a historical triangulation breakout. It has already broken out. It's currently going for a back test. Again, same thing that's kind of happened over here, where the biggest thing for me is why I believe this is a big repeat is you have the what do you call it here? You got the bear market, basically bear market bottom, the 2, the almost all-time high push, and then the 3 going back to local demand zones. And back in the OG days of the XRP chart, I mean, it's quite damn near the same thing. See, the thing that's not following up, however, let's just draw here. Let's get a better looking 2 there. 1, 2, 3. So the one thing that is different is clearly back here with XRP. The price was lower. There was less liquidity. So, of course, things aren't going to look exactly the same. But XRP did not have a monthly candle pullback close over back here. Now, when XRP broke this monthly triangle right there, it actually did go for a monthly chart pullback candle that closed red. I don't know exactly why, perhaps because of higher price, more liquidity, different sort of environment for the price of XRP. But back here, XRP did get a really, really sharp pullback where the monthly chart went from half of a penny all the way up to 2 cents. And then on the next monthly open, XRP got absolutely rugged from 2 cents down to that half penny range again, and then moonshot again. So maybe it actually is making quite a lot of sense that XRP would, break the historical triangle breakout, right? And then actually do go for a pullback and kind of get this part over with. I don't know, guys. Look, I'm not fucking good at TA, but I've been watching this thing for 6 years, and these 2 zones, it's just like there's so many things that are similar. The almost all-time high push, but not quite. The bear market bottom, the bear market the very, very tight coiling consolidation zone. It just seems like we're at the moment where it's like, I don't know, guys, how much longer do we really have to wait? I mean, we know what's coming. We know what's going to be happening. It's going to be a massive breakout with XRP. It's just, what pisses me off the most is we just don't know exactly when it's going to happen. Obviously we know what's going to happen. XRP is changing the world, working with the largest banks in the world, central banks, monetary authorities, governments all around the world, just deep collaborations. The 43rd Treasurer of the United States, whose name is on our $100 bills. I mean, she is an advisor on the board of directors for Ripple. So it's like I don't know if I feel like I'm going insane at this point, because we know what's coming, but it's just like, dude, when is it actually going to happen? I mean, right now we are looking at all of XRP price history ever, which is, how much time is that, guys? How much time is that? All of XRP price history ever. I mean, it's been 3,600 days. 3,600 days. And we're looking at all of that just on one little screen right here. And you cannot tell me that the origin cycle and the repeat continuation of the previous cycle, I mean, it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. The only thing that's, more drawn out and more exaggerated is the all-time high bear market crash. All-time high bear market crash was a little bit more extended. But I mean, dude, this thing is picture perfect parallel, and we're just waiting for the fucking launch. Get this thing to double-digit XRP. All right? So, guys, it's just, I feel like I'm rambling too much here, but every freaking morning I wake up, I pull out my phone, I check the price of XRP, and I'm just going like, dude, when the fuck is this thing going to take off? Now, I don't know if this recent meme coin surge, I don't know if that is bringing in a lot of liquidity into regular cryptocurrencies, could bring, surge in blue chip cryptocurrency prices. But obviously, the main thing we're waiting for is the Ripple SEC lawsuit. I know I sound like a broken record here, fellas, but it's just like the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Brad Garlinghouse just said at XRP Vegas, hey, you know what? We're going to win this thing. Brad Garlinghouse, Ripple CEO, literally says, in regards to the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit conversation, he says, we're going to win this thing. The Ripple CEO. We're going to win this thing. We win this thing. We got the catalyst we need. We repeat previous cycle. Fellas, we're heading to double-digit XRP, and we're going to start having 7 figures in the bank. All right, fellas, that's it for the video today. Make sure you smash the like, subscribe down below. Sorry I'm not getting, like, a stream lately for you guys. It's like, you know, as an XRP streamer, it's just, you know, sometimes it's really difficult to try to get a stream going when XRP price is not doing anything. It seems kind of like videos are sort of a better route when the price is a little bit stagnant and playing out through its phases. But guys, as soon as XRP rockets back up there, 60 cents, 70 cents, $1, $2, you guys know we'll be streaming like every freaking single day. So just wait for that to happen. Guys, it's coming. I'm sure we don't got to be waiting much to, like, we really don't have to be waiting too much longer here. We know exactly where this is going. All right, double digits, 7 figures in the bank. We're gonna hit it, guys. We're gonna hit it, guys. We're all gonna make it. Don't worry about it. Make sure, smash the like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.